Good evening students. Today I am going to explain about how heart is functioning. So heart is protected by rib cage. Heart is divided into 4 chambers. First one, left atrium, left ventricle, right atrium, right ventricle. Now from lungs the oxygen is going from this tube. This tube name is called pulmonary vein. From this the oxygen is going to left atrium. From left atrium it is going to left ventricle. From left atrium to left ventricle, this 4 tube is called bicuspid valve. From here again it is going from here and transferring to aorta. From aorta it is transferring to all the organs. From the organs the waste blood will grow from this tube. This tube name is called vena cava. Vena cava. From this tube it passes through right atrium. From right atrium to right ventricle. This tube name is called pulmonary vein. From there it goes again to lungs. From here, from this tube, whole tube is called tricuspid valve, and it goes to lungs and it will take fresh air and come again. For example, this is lungs. These are the 4 walls of the heart. When I teach you here, no, left atrium, left ventricle, that. Left atrium, left ventricle, right atrium, right ventricle. Now the oxygen from lungs it's going to left atrium. Left atrium. Now this tube is called pulmonary vein. Pulmonary vein. From left atrium again it's going to left ventricle. Now this tube is called bicuspid valve. Bicuspid valve. Again from here it's going to aorta. Is going to aorta. From again it is going to aorta. Then this aorta will give all air to all the organs. Now the waste blood, it will give all oxygen for this. Now all the waste blood will go for right atrium. Right atrium. Now this tube is called vena cava. This tube name is called vena cava. Now it is going to right atrium. Now from right atrium it is going to right ventricle. From right atrium it is going to right ventricle. This tube name is called pulmonary artery. Now again from here it is going to lungs. The waste from here it is coming fresh or blood, and it is going to aorta. From aorta it is going to organs. From organs the waste blood is coming, and the waste blood is going again to lungs. This tube is called tricuspid tube. Tricuspid tube. Do you understand, children? Now I will understand in simple way. Now this is blood. The blood is going from here to left artery. From left artery, it is going to left ventricle. Now this tube is called bispecific tube, and from left ventricle again it's going to aorta. From aorta all the fresh energy it is going to organs. Now the waste blood it is going to right artery. From right artery it is going to right ventricle. From right ventricle, this right ventricle again it gives to lungs. This tube is called pulmonary vein and this tube is called tricuspid tube. Do you understood? Thank you.